Ever feel like your social battery is just completely drained? One day you're the life of the party, and the next, you just want to curl up with a good book and not speak to a soul? What's that all about? Well, it turns out we're all wired a little differently when it comes to recharging our energy. It's like we have different types of internal batteries. Let's talk about the solitude lovers first. You might know one, or maybe this sounds exactly like you. These are the people who recharge internally. After a long week of meetings, errands, and social events, they don't crave a big night out. Instead, they crave quiet. Their emotional battery gets filled up through solitude, deep reflection, and having their own personal space. It's not that they dislike people, not at all. They just process the world and refuel their energy from within. Think of it like a smartphone. After being used all day, it needs to be plugged into a quiet power source, away from all the action, to get back to 100%. For these folks, a quiet evening at home, a walk in nature by themselves, or getting lost in a creative project is their charging station. It's in these moments of peace that they can hear their own thoughts, process their feelings, and truly come back to themselves. Without this time, they can feel overwhelmed, frazzled, and completely depleted. Now, on the flip side, we have the social personalities. These are the people who seem to draw energy from the world around them. They recharge externally. After a quiet day at home or a week focused on solo tasks, they might start to feel restless or even a bit down. What they need is connection. Their battery gets powered up by lively conversation, shared laughter, and the vibrant energy of being with other people. Being in a bustling cafe, going to a concert, or just having a deep chat with a group of friends is what brings them back to life. It's through these external interactions that they feel most energized and alive. For them, being alone for too long can feel draining, like a phone that's been disconnected from its network. They thrive on the feedback, the shared experiences, and the dynamic flow of social situations. This is how they process their world and get their spark back. It's the buzz of human connection that gets their battery level climbing back up to full. So, which one is better? The internal recharger or the external one? The answer is neither. Absolutely neither one is superior to the other. It's just a matter of different wiring. It's like comparing a diesel engine to an electric one. They both get you where you need to go. They just use a different kind of fuel. One person needs silence to feel whole again, while another needs a chorus of voices to feel alive. There's no right or wrong way to be. The world needs both the quiet thinkers and the vibrant connectors. We bring different energies to the table, and that diversity is what makes life so interesting. The problems only start when we try to force ourselves to recharge in a way that goes against our nature, or when we judge others for having different needs than our own. The real magic, the real key to living a balanced and happy life, is self-awareness. It's about knowing where you fall on this spectrum. Are you someone who needs to retreat, to recharge, or do you need to reach out? And it's not always 100% one or the other. Many of us are ambiverts, falling somewhere in the middle, needing a healthy mix of both social time and alone time. The most important thing is to listen to your body and your mind. Pay attention to what energizes you and what drains you. Once you understand your natural rhythm, you can honor it. You can build a life that supports your energy instead of constantly fighting against it. Respect your need for a quiet night in. Embrace your desire for a spontaneous get-together with friends. When you stop apologizing for how you're built and start working with your natural flow, you unlock a whole new level of well-being. So, take a moment to think about it. What truly fills your cup? Understanding this simple but profound aspect of your personality can be a game changer. Thanks so much for watching. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments how you like to recharge. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.